My name is Kelsey Tims, and I'm the Development Director at the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation here in the Oklahoma City chapter. We have 95% of our patient population that benefits from a small molecule therapies and 5% that do not, because there's different genetic mutations, and so some mutations are more common than others. So this funding will actually help us find a cure for all people living with cystic fibrosis, including that 5% that does not receive a small molecule therapy right now. Living through this pandemic, a lot of people are able to kind of relate to CF because they're having to be more cautious with COVID. And so right now we're just really happy to get back together in person this year after 2 years of not being together in person. And so we're just really grateful for Tabor Cares that are kind of getting us back on our feet this year and making our forward motion. On behalf of the CF community, I just would like to thank Tabor Cares for moving our mission forward for finding a cure for all people with cystic fibrosis. As we like to say, we are stronger together.